Akanla, Akanla. The word kan here means to do something intentionally, to do something deliberately, to have a thing done very purposefully. Now, la, what does it mean? It has many meanings, but the one that relates to this name is the one that means to lick. So when we call the Oriki of a child Akanla, what can we be talking about? Well, it is simple. It means this is a child to be specially made presentable. Imagine when a thing looks so attractive that you are tempted to lick it. That is what we are talking about. This child must be made to look so presentable that when people see the child, they just want to lick the child. They want to turn the child to sweet, to lollipop, and put it in their mouth and just lick till finish. That is an Akanla. Amakanle pèsè ọmọ yìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí àwọn ènìyàn gbọ́dọ̀ máa lá. So don't be surprised if you bear this Oriki and a lot of people find you attractive. Don't be surprised if people always want to lick you. It is because Akanla l'Oriki rẹ̀. Wàá Ṣere.